So why is there a sudden explosion of video creators and editors in India? Why does almost every trending YouTube creator has an Indian editor? The numbers speak for themselves. India's digital content industry is now worth a whopping $30 billion, contributing 2.4% to the nation's economy. But what triggered this boom? India, a diversified region encapsulating millions of traditions and cultures within its geographical boundaries. And with multiple traditions comes the timeless art of storytelling. A craft India has not just mastered, but woven into the very fabric of its existence, beginning with its billion-dollar entertainment industry, Bollywood. A platform that has been a source of constant entertainment for the entire subcontinent. From its blockbuster hits to Oscar-nominated projects, this creative industry has always given larger-than-life cinematic experiences that have captivated audiences for decades. But the paradigm has shifted. The silver screens are now 6-inch AMOLED displays that fit right into your pocket. The audience that once consumed content, now they create it. But before we dive in, I've got great news for anyone interested in learning how to edit. But I'll talk about that later in the video, so watch till the end. With the rapid rise of digitalization across the globe, the Indian entertainment industry has taken a swift jump from traditional cinemas to digital media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Netflix, changing the narrative of entertainment for millions across the country. These changing dynamics in varied digital platforms caused an increased surge in individualized content creation, inviting millions of people on board to share their ideas and creativity, making storytelling accessible for everyone. Because, trust me, in today's world, all you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. The world consumes content visually, and India is now leading the charge. Platforms are prioritizing short-form videos, and with India being home to the largest number of YouTube and Instagram users, the demand for editors and creators has skyrocketed. Because with storytelling comes the art of storyboarding. If you're interested in learning how to edit videos, now is the time. We are creating a well-detailed zero-to-hero course specifically for your needs. Because of how customizable it will be, we need a few people to start with, so hurry up and contact us and we will provide you with the whole vision of this course. Now back to the video. And no content is complete without perfect editing. Imagine watching a 30-minute raw, unedited footage. I know it's traumatizing to even think about. With such diversified content across the region, the Indian editor market is soaring high to such an extent that it's no longer a trend, it's a movement. But why? Why? Because editing has shifted from being an elite skill to an accessible profession. With free and low-cost editing software like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, and even AI-powered tools, anyone with a laptop or even a smartphone can become an editor. But what's truly driving this boom? To understand why Indian editors dominate, we need to talk about a crucial business principle: the economy of scale, which means that increasing production leads to lower per unit costs. In simpler words, the more you produce, the cheaper it gets. That's why one can easily hire a $10 editor from the Indian market. But it doesn't stop there. The largest Indian telecommunication company, JIO, works on the same basic principle, disrupting the market with dirt-cheap internet packages, making high-speed internet accessible to almost every corner of India. Affordable smartphones and smart devices have fueled this boom even further. With powerful cameras and built-in editing tools, anyone can create anywhere. All these low investments have generated India's billion-dollar orange economy, inviting brand deals, affiliate marketing, and even direct monetization at your doorstep, making content creation a business deal. This digital revolution has not only prompted the Indian government to invest $1 billion in creators' funds, but also attracted international investors, meta massive projects, and global events. So, if you're sitting and still scrolling, at this rate, your thumb is working harder than your bank account.